Hey guys, it's Halloween month. Welcome to my very first Halloween makeup look. Today we're going to create a very easy deer makeup, so let's go ahead and get started. Starting on a fresh clean canvas, we're gonna jump in with foundation. And side note, this color is a bit too light for me, but it's okay because this look is all about shading and contouring. Next, we're going to map out the face by highlighting. We want to create an upside down triangle to have more of a sharp look, especially on the cheeks. Next, we're going to shade more, and I'm just going to be using my current favorite bronzer. I'm basically using a heavy hand. I'm just going to press it into the skin, working it mostly on my cheekbones and my forehead. Then we're going to work on the brows. This is going to be a different look for me as it's going to be very dark and sharp because we really want to have more of an animal eyebrows, if you will. Things may not be blended, but that's totally fine. That's why I have a sponge in hand. Now we're going to take the same bronzer and I'm just going to apply this in the crease and exaggerate it towards the center of my nose. Here is when I'm using cream products for highlighting and contouring. So I'm going to contour the nose, but on the side of the contour, I'm going to highlight so the center is a little bit more pronounced. And I'm just layering as I go and using the sponge and fingers to blend things out. Once I'm satisfied with the contouring, I'm just going to layer it with a powder to set it and have a little bit more of a sharper look. Jumping back to the eyes, I'm going to use that cream product in a lighter shade. I'm just going to fill in my lid space, exaggerate it a little bit more, and once I'm satisfied with this, we're going to jump into mascara. We want the eyes to look really doe-eyed, really bright and round. So I'm going to use a curling mascara and use little individual cluster lashes for a more opened-eyed look. Jumping into my Makeup Forever Flash palette, we're going to mix some colors and create a little button nose. I'm starting off with the light brown, kind of like mocha color, just to kind of have a shadow. Then I'm going to jump in with the black to have it stand out a little bit more. Now it's time to detail the eyebrows. I'm going to use an angled brush using a darker gel color with a hint of brown, and I'm just going to map out my brows. I'm going to use the remaining products left over on my brush, which is the lighter colors, and I'm just going to use this to brighten under my brows. Then I'm going to take the black from the Flash palette and just line my eyes very thin and exaggerate the inner tear ducts. I'm not going to create a tail, but I'm going to draw it all the way to the end and just give it a tiniest little flick. For the bottom liner, I'm going to line it very carefully and keep it very thin. And once I get to the inner tear ducts, I'm going to exaggerate it and kind of elongate it but angle it downwards to my nose. I kind of wish that I did the top lip last just because it's black and I tend to automatically mix the products when anything's on my lips, and it kind of got to the bottom here. So I do suggest you guys do the lip last if you guys are creating this look. So I'm going to take my favorite mascara and basically bind the lashes together with the falsies and kind of use it in different directions to perk them up. So here's the fun part, creating the white dots on the face. I did not want the dots to be perfect in a circle shape, so as you can see, I'm just fixing it and making it look more like spots. Then I'm going to take my brush to blend everything out and then add some contour just to kind of soften the dots a little. Since I didn't have any deer ears, I'm just going to put my hair into pigtails and just make two little tiny buns for my ears. I'm basically going to backcomb it a little bit so I can have an easier time making it into a circular shape. And I'm just going to pin it into place. It doesn't have to be perfect. And this is my final look for my deer makeup. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!